Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be designing a calculator. This is just a small calculator with a user interface, and that's why we are importing Tkinter in module to be able to help us to design the user interface. So this is basically designing the physical look of the the calculator. So firstly, we have the events widget area, which is the button, the one that makes the buttons to respond when you click on 3, 2, multiplication. So it's going to allow it to respond. Then we have some if, text, which is if the button is pressed, then it evaluates the function that is supposed to calculate. For example, you can have 7 plus 3 is going to evaluate that. If it doesn't meet some certain criteria, it's going to display an error on the screen. So that's that. And then we have the physical model of the calculator, the height and width of the calculator, which is 300 by 400. And then we have the name of the calculator, which is simple calculator. And then we have the buttons of the calculator. We have the strings of the display, you know, the front of the display and things like that at this section of the code. And then we have the buttons of the calculators, the calculator I mean. So 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, and the way they are arranged all in here. And also we have the front of the frame and things like that all here. So we are going to run the calculator. This code will be available in the description box below. So we're going to run the calculator and see how it performs. So I'll click on run, then we can say 7 multiplied by 6, then we get the answer. So we can say we can press C to clean everything. Uh, that's what was designed in the code as well. C is to like set the screen, clear the screen. That's what C is meant for. Yes, so we're going to run it again. So we can say 89 multiplied by 5. We can say 45 divided by 5. So things like that. So these are simple calculator. This is the graphic user interface for the calculator, and see it's performing its function. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to be doing a lot and lot of projects. I'll be putting out the codes out there so you can practice them on your own. Thank you. See you in the next video.